The new Homey Pro, also claimed as the world's most advanced smart home hub, has been creating quite a buzz in the smart home arena. According to many reviewers, it really did manage to live up to its potential. On the other hand, there is Nest Hub 2, which is also considered one of the most reliable hubs for modern smart homes. So, how well does it stand against the second generation of Nest Hub from Google Assistant? Let's find out.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer Video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes Ten Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with Ten Studio today.
If we look at Homey Pro, it boasts a distinctive design with a diameter of 127mm and a height of 39.5mm, making it larger than the average smart home hub. On top of that, it offers versatility in power supply with a 5V2A adapter connected via USB-C and the option to use an Ethernet adapter. On the other hand, the Nest Hub 2nd Gen takes a different approach, being bigger at 120.4mm in height and 177.4mm in width. What sets it apart is the built-in 7-inch smart display and a full-range speaker with a 43.5mm driver. However, it lacks the USB-C port, which limits its connectivity options compared to the Homey Pro. While Nest Hub 2 might appeal to those looking for a hub with multimedia capabilities, it sacrifices some of the versatility seen in the Homey Pro. Under the hood, the Homey Pro is a powerhouse with its 1.8 GHz quad-core ARMv8 CPU, 2 GB LPDDR4 RAM, and 8 GB eMMC flash storage. It supports a wide range of protocols including 5G Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, Matter, Z-Wave, Plus 700 series, Zigbee 3.0, Thread, and much more. This robust hardware and compatibility with various devices give the Homey Pro a significant advantage in terms of build quality and specifications. Conversely, the Nest Hub 2, with its quad-core 64-bit 1.9 GHz ARM CPU, lacks internal storage and RAM support. While it does support similar connectivities, the Homey Pro's more robust hardware configuration gives it the upper hand. The Homey Pro can easily manage a vast array of smart devices and services, making it a top choice for users who demand superior performance. The real differentiator between these two hubs is their features and automation capabilities. The Homey Pro's advanced automation system shines through with its ability to operate locally, even when the internet is down. It's capable of connecting to LAN-only devices like Google Chromecast, offering local API keys for cloud-free access. Besides, its local backup supports various storage options, including Mac and PC. So you could say that Homey Pro is really committed to user convenience and data security. What's even more impressive, it introduces an intricate automation system known as Advanced Flow. This system is basically like creating algorithms using cards, commands, tags, and connections to set up a wide array of outcomes. It even allows users to create and run Homey scripts within the Advanced Flow, adding an extra layer of customization. And the inclusion of a Notes feature further enhances its appeal. The Homey Pro is more than just a hub, it's a comprehensive smart home control center. In contrast, the Nest Hub 2 is primarily designed for entertainment. It excels in streaming music and video, boasts seamless voice control, and supports gestures through the built-in Soli sensor. The Nest Aware subscription adds the ability to receive notifications about unusual sounds in your home and the gradual display brightness increase in the morning. However, these features are geared more towards a multimedia experience, and it lacks a few depths of automation and control seen in the Homey Pro. When it comes to smart home hubs, it's clear that the Homey Pro and the Nest Hub 2nd Gen cater to different needs. If you seek a hub with extensive capabilities, local control, and advanced automation through Advanced Flow, the Homey Pro is the clear winner. Its robust build quality and diverse connectivity options make it a versatile choice for enthusiasts who demand more from their smart home ecosystem. On the other hand, the Nest Hub 2, with its integrated display and entertainment-centric features, is tailored to those who prioritize media streaming and interactive displays. While it has its strengths, it falls short in comparison to the Homey Pro's expansive array of features and automation possibilities. Ultimately, the choice between the two will depend on your specific needs and preferences in the world of smart home automation. So what's your opinion? Which one would you go for? Do let us know down in the comments.